Yo, what's up guys, and welcome back to the channel. Recently I got a few comments. Yeah, sorry about the noise. Everybody's busy here in the area. But yeah, everybody asked me I must do a full review on the Hawk 250, or like we call it in South Africa, the big boy TSR 250. Yeah, first things I just want to say is the price. When you purchase these, you can get them 30,000 Rand, brand new, roadworthy, on the road. For 30,000, that is cheap in comparison. If you compare against your Japanese bikes like your Hondas, your Honda XRs, or your Suzuki 250s, they are 60,000 Rand and more. That is a 30,000 Rand difference that you save if you purchase one of these. The thing is, that's the thing, they are cheap. So when it comes to things like little things that can go wrong on the bike, it does happen, and parts isn't that expensive. Like currently, let me show you. Currently I've got, let me just check here, 21,800 kilometers on the clock. That's about 13,500 miles. I've done a cone filter upgrade. As you can see, I don't think I should have put on my flash. And a performance exhaust. So with that, or those mods, I'm getting about 25 kilometers per liter. That's very light, considering how expensive the petrol has gotten. And yeah, so the only other thing I can say is maintenance. It's fairly cheap. This is my second chain. I must actually replace this chain, the sprockets as well. It needs new chain and sprockets. This is my second tire as well. And yeah, but maintenance wise, it's very cheap to maintain. Awesome bike. Obviously you can't compare it to your Japanese bikes like your Hondas and your Suzukis. They all come with liquid cooled engines, which they keep cooler for longer. They last longer. This is a very old school engine. It's got a 230cc pushrod 250 engine. Yeah, so far so good, no issues at all. Starts up and go. The only thing I tell the guys that own these air-cooled motorcycles is, like I've told you in one of my videos, I run a good 20W50 motor oil in my motorcycle, the Hawk 250 or Big Boy TSR 250. And yeah, just change your oil regularly and the bike will look after you. But yeah guys, that is just a quick review on the bike. Since I've had it, it's almost been what, 2 years. And yeah, just maintain it, and yeah, just look after it, man, and then she will look after you. Like I said, I don't really have any issues. She just starts up and she goes. Yeah, that's my review on the Big Boy TSR. A lot of people also ask me, is it really worth buying these bikes? And I told them, well, if you're looking for simplicity and just something that is easily to maintain, I'll say go for one of these. There's no radiator or stuff to worry about. All you do is every 1,000 kilometers you change the oil. But yeah guys, thank you for the love and the support on my channel. I really appreciate it. I'll check you guys in the next one. Cheers, bye bye.